and creating these off-grid power systems. It's not been done a whole lot before. It takes a lot of fine-tuning and a lot of teamwork to pull a project like this together. The Headwaters Center is an event center and museum. It's an interactive exhibit about the value of the water across the western United States. All of the energy consumed by the center is actually generated on site.
They have solar, they have batteries, and they have backup natural gas generators. We're able to optimize systems like this to use more solar power, more renewable energy, and less natural gas and diesel. The battery system that is running this whole facility off-grid only speaks CAN bus. The Ageto system only speaks Modbus, and the device to make that work is the WAGO PLC.
The WAGO pieces act as a translator between our system and the brains of the batteries, which is incredibly necessary for these off-grid power systems. Demonstrating that projects like this can be successful, that's hugely tangible.
We have to get off carbon-based fuels, use more renewable energy. Our product is allowing that to happen.
I think it's pretty clear the importance of shifting into renewable, clean energy resources.